Took me a while to cope to be able to share this video with y'all. Here it is. Well, sad times. Really hate to do this and show this and make this video. The barb tank. I already took 3 out. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's age or something else. The rocks do have like this weird fuzz on them, which I have never really seen this in my life. I don't know if it's just aging or what this is. But yeah, no, even the young ones, look. Their skin's not doing well. Something's up, something's in here. Yeah, you can see the scaling's kind of puffed up. I think the white bits is just, I don't know. Weird green biofilm. It's on the top too, which I don't ever see green biofilm. Now these guys did come from outside in, so who knows? This is the only tank I've actually really been water changing lately. I did clean out the filter too, but not like really well. Mostly because of that green algae, and now it's been a while since I've changed that. It's probably been, well, I would say a week or two. And this tank's pretty established, it's pretty old. Now, I'm gonna try my best with these guys. I do have a backup group, thank God, up here. Always try to keep backups. But you know, it's starting to warm up too. It wasn't gonna be long till I put these guys back outside, so. As much as I don't wanna mess with the bioactivity, I think the bioactivity has gone sour or something is in it. Yeah, look at this. Let me just see if I can get it focused. Yeah, see there's like some kind of spore-like thing all over. How does that even get in there? So I'm gonna hit it with some Ruby Reef Hydroplex, water treatment for bacteria, external fungus, external parasites, fungi, and algae. I do got the big jug because, well, I thought I'd need it. I've had this thing for years. And normally it's as a dip. You can use it for the whole quarantine tank. So add 2 ounces per 5 gallons. So that's 75 divided by 5. That's 15 times 2. That's 30 ounces. No, it almost looks like, you know, when food gets rotten. So hopefully that Hydroplex helps out with this fungus. Worst part is just watching them struggle. Okay, one got off the ground, but he's at least moving around, so hopefully that's a good sign. And one got off the ground, he's moving around back there. Hopefully he kicks back. Definitely looks like a fungus. API fungus cure, I don't have any. That would probably work too. Yeah, I'm guessing some kind of fungus got in there somehow. And usually comes from rotten food. Maybe some food got down. I noticed they weren't eating. So maybe some food got down, rotted in between here. Especially after cleaning that. Wasn't enough to really absorb the issues of that rotten food. So should have probably just kept that dirty. So even as I keep fish for a long time, I still freak out when things happen. But it's definitely food, definitely fungus. API fungus cure, wish I had some. Look at the pupils on that fish. I don't know if he's on a trip or what, but hasn't been doing good. Doing water changes. Gonna hit it with some more Hydroplex because that's what I have. Rocks and stuff, still a little fuzzy. You can see in the center the spores. Still there next day. Dilution's the solution. Keep up with the water changes. Luckily I got well water so it doesn't come in too sterile. But this really fucking sucks because I just pulled 2 more out of there, and you guys know these have been my babies for a long time. Sad, sad, sad week. Sad, sad, sad day. I can't believe it's happening. Now I know they're getting an age, so their immune system's probably a little more vulnerable. That's why the big ones are fading out and the little ones aren't. But fish food, believe it or not, can be one of the biggest killers. Just for this reason, fungus. And I was talking to Sarah, and she did say that she fed it really heavy when I was gone. And I didn't notice that they weren't eating because I now have that black backdrop on the background, and I usually feed them from that side. So if they weren't eating, I wouldn't have known and just kept dumping on top of it. Which I did in the last couple days too, because that's what made me realize they weren't eating, was when I went to go give them some extra food and looked at the front, they weren't going for it. And then I'm like, what in the world is going on? But hopefully this can help you guys not run into the same problem and at least maybe diagnose it. I mean, look at these guys. They're living in deep green water. All happy, fine, roselines, geophagas, hatchetfish, pandagaras, all kinds of things. And that tank would do better from overfeeding than, say, a cleaner tank. Saddest day yet. Cooked, bro. Cooked. I didn't fucking do it. They're done. Maybe I should have moved them to another tank, but at the same time, I didn't want to be spreading anything around. And that could also cause more stress on them too. Maybe I should not have put the rally in with the Hydroplex. I don't know. But we're going to give this tank some time to settle out, settle down, hopefully get whatever's in it out of it, do some water changes, then I'll probably put some guppies in there, try again, maybe even rescape it, get the rocks out, clean all that up. Terrible. God, terrible. But it happens sometimes, you know. Not very often. I mean, I've been keeping so many fish for so long, doing so many things. And, you know, once in a while it happens. Very rarely, but God, that's like the worst tank for it to happen on. So PSA, watch how much you feed your fish. If it's turning white and fungusy, I know some people will be like, oh, that it wasn't the issue. Well, I'll tell you, I've seen it happen so many times. And other people's tanks too, not just mine. It could be a killer. That fungus can be a killer. Thank God I still got you guys. Looks like you guys are gonna be going outside this year. I gotta get you guys breeding. And on that note, I'm ending this video because I didn't even want to make this video, but hey, maybe I'll see you on the next one.